हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो ऑफ माइंडफुल प्रतिभा। आज का जो वीडियो है उसका टॉपिक है दैट व्हाई यू कैन नॉट फोकस एंड हाउ टू फिक्स इट। इट्स बेसिकली इम्प्रूविंग प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड एट वर्क। सो या लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड, बट बिफोर दैट आई वुड रियली रिक्वेस्ट यू गाइस टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. It really empowers me to make such videos, and I would really like you guys to suggest me some new topics, and let's get started. सो फर्स्टली होता आजकल के टाइम में हम लोगों का जो फोकस है और जो अटेंशन स्पैन है वो काफ़ी कम हो गया है. दिस इज़ वैरायटी ऑफ रीजंस आर देयर बिहाइंड दैट. फर्स्टली हम जो कांस्टेंट स्क्रोलिंग करते हैं, जो शॉर्ट्स की वजह से हमारा जो अटेंशन स्पैन है वो बहुत ज़्यादा रिड्यूस हो गया है. अब हम कोई पर्टिकुलर चीज़ पे हमारी अटेंशन इतना या इतना फोकस नहीं बनता है, because we are constantly getting certain kind of dopamine when we watch certain kind of videos, and हमें constantly कुछ variety चाहिए होती है, and that is causing a lot of problem with our focus. हमारी productivity at work also reduces because of the constant distractions which we face, and उसके बहुत ज़्यादा implications हो सकते हैं. Maybe you don't get good quality sleep, maybe you're not able to focus at work, आपकी decision making बहुत reduce हो जाती है. सो डेफिनेटली मैं इस वीडियो में आपको कुछ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स बताना चाहूँगी जो मैं पर्टिकुलरली फॉलो कर रही हूँ इन ऑर्डर टू इम्प्रूव माई प्रोडक्टिविटी एट वर्क, एंड टू इम्प्रूव अपॉन हाउ आई कैन इंक्रीज माई फोकस फॉर दिस ईयर 2025. सो द फर्स्ट thing which I would really recommend you guys is that you should uninstall the so many apps on your phone. अगर आपको कोई भी सोशल मीडिया ऐप यूज़ करनी है, बेटर यूज़ इट ऑन अ डेस्कटॉप और अ लैपटॉप. बिकॉज वॉट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इज जब हमारे फ़ोन में इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, नेटफ्लिक्स, प्राइम, जो भी ये सारी ऐप्स हैं, दे आर मेंट टू hook us, and so that we keep on watching. So that is something which is causing a lot of attention span problem. सो डेफिनेटली इन चीज़ों से मैंने देखा है हमारा टाइम वेस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. जब हम कॉन्स्टेंट स्क्रोलिंग करते हैं, वी लूज ट्रैक ऑफ आर टाइम, एंड हमें जब लगता है कि जब हम ऑफिस से ब्रेक लें तो हम वी certainly tend to open those apps, and we are just hooked into it. And social media से हम most of the times we are just comparing our lives, and हमको लोगों की रियल लाइफ नहीं पता होती. वी आर जस्ट जजिंग देम, एंड मोस्टली हम लोग कंपैरिजन कर रहे होते हैं, या मोस्टली हमारा उस चीज़ों में टाइम हमारा वेस्ट हो रहा होता है. सो डेफिनेटली आई थिंक it's better that you use such apps on a desktop, and as a creator also I feel that I should also minimize the usage of watching certain videos on YouTube. मैं personally अब मैंने अपने फ़ोन में वो सारी apps delete कर दी हैं, and I only use them when required at a particular set of time, right? I only tend to use Netflix, Prime, Instagram or any other app only for an hour or so. इससे मुझे पता होता है कि हाँ इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम में मैं ये काम करूँगी तो उसमें मेरा ज़्यादा टेंशन स्पैन मेरा रिड्यूस नहीं होगा. सो डेफिनेटली यू शुड try doing that. Initially it will be difficult because you are addicted to it, you are addicted to the apps in your phone, but certainly अगर आपको अपना आने वाले टाइम में अपना फोकस बढ़ाना है, एंड यू जस्ट डोंट वांट टू लूज ट्रैक ऑफ योर टाइम, डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू टेक दैट step, and you just try to build some more productive habits during that time. So during your office breaks you can go out for walk, you can spend time with your family, or do something which makes you more happier and contented. Second thing which I would like to really recommend is that you can do task journaling. Task journaling you can do before sleeping. It is basically you are jotting down all the tasks which are important for your next day. It could be related to work, it could be related to relationship. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमारे माइंड में चल रही होती हैं when we are trying to sleep, and we don't realize that there is an open loop, and because of that we are not able to sleep on time. So it is very important that when you are like uh, preparing for the next day, you prepare what are the things which you will complete for the next day, and it really helps you out. And once you wake up in the morning you can just certainly revisit those tasks, and it will help you. आजकल बहुत सारी apps हैं. There is an app called as Notion, which literally has helped me. It is basically a digital to-do list kind of an app where you can track your habits, you can track your meal tracker also. You can plan your meal for the day. You can write down, you know, what are the things which you have done, like specifically meditation, walking. So all these things you can easily track, and that will help you to know how much progress you are making. So definitely आप इसको digital way में या physical way में भी कर सकते हैं, and it will definitely help you a lot. Next thing which I would really want to recommend is that focusing on one task at a time. So as a human beings, we are not supposed to do multitasking. It's not good for our brain. So for example, if I'm driving and I ask you to do some mathematical calculations, you will not be able to do it. So certainly आपको at a time एक ही काम पे focus करना चाहिए, be it at work, and you can keep a timer for that, that you know, for this particular time frame I will keep my phone aside and I will just focus for around 30 minutes to complete that task. And believe me, it will really help you a lot. Don't try to complete all the things at the same time. It will you know, basically cause a lot of problem with the quality of work, as well as you not completing all those things. So it's definitely important that you set certain expectations, that you will only focus at you know, that task at one particular time, and then you can take a break for around 5 to 10 minutes and then resume your work. So definitely that trick definitely helps you a lot. Last but not the least is that you can meditation, definitely, because when you are doing meditation, right, आपका constant focus आपकी breath पे रहता है, which really helps you to gain certain clarity, avoid such confusions, and when our mind is very calm, then you get all the solution to your problems, and आपके focus भी ज़रूर definitely improve होता है. So definitely if you feel like you are very much distracted and you have got so much of negative thinking, just sit for 5 minutes, do some breath work. You can just focus on taking 5 times inhale and 8 times exhale. This will help you to calm down yourself, and it will also improve your focus. So definitely meditation has immensely helped me out, and all the successful people, right, अगर आप उनकी habits track करेंगे, then you will definitely know that they constantly spend their time doing the meditation first thing in the morning. So definitely I would recommend that. So these were the tips and tricks which I wanted to discuss with you all. Let me know how did you find this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.